Hey lifeguards, friends and customers, George here from Water Safety Products, and today I want to help you get a little more familiar with the new way we do our web My Account. There's a lot of new tools and I think you're going to be really excited, so let's dive right into it. So once you arrive at the Water Safety Products home website, go to the sign in page, go ahead and enter your email address and of course your password. If you struggle to log in, we've got a couple other videos that go through that topic, or feel free to give us a call at 1-800-987-7238 extension 4. All right, so once you're logged into the My Account page, there's a bunch of new options for you to choose from here. First, let's take a look at change your password. If you need to change your password for any reason, you can do that right here. Make sure to give yourself a nice hint. From the main page, we also have the address book. This is where you can add new addresses to your account, or if you already have a few saved, you can edit, adjust, and delete them as needed. We also have the Manage Contacts page. Now think of the contact list as folks at your company that you want to have as a contact within the account. This is just good information to have in here. This might help us from Water Safety side know who is the billing person versus who is the assistant manager. One of the most powerful areas within this account is the Manage Users area. So let's say, for example, right here, I've got my example account. If we wanted to add a new user, we can definitely do that. For example, if I have a team leader who works with me and I want to give them the ability to make purchases through watersafety.com, we can add them right here. The beautiful thing about this is when they log in with their own email and password, they're going to be able to access the account and it's going to go to the right billing. You could also add users such as your accounts and finance team, which we'll talk a little bit more about the benefits of that in a bit. So once we go back to the main account, we can also manage payment methods. This is your way to save your credit card within the website. Just click Add Payment Method, add your credit card details, and save. Order status. If you're ordering regularly, you'll probably find yourself here from time to time. This is where you'll be able to find what status your order is in, shipping information about your order, and generally where it's at. So let's say if you have a purchase order, you can type in that purchase order here and hit search, and it will find it by the purchase order. Or you could choose open, closed, or both as the type of status that the order's in. So an open order are orders that have not shipped yet. Closed have shipped and invoiced, and both is everything of all time. So when in doubt, choose both and look through your orders. My example account doesn't have any to go through here, but I'm sure you'll build them over time. Once we go back to the My Account page, there's also statements. Now your accounts and finance team is going to love this page. This is where you can access statements and see your current balance. So for example, if you click the download statement, if your accounts team is asking for the current statement, you can get it right there. Or if you give them a user login, they can access this themselves. There's of course a print-friendly version, and you can search and toggle through these. You could also pay from this page if you need to make a payment via credit card. Once you go back to My Account, probably your favorite tool, if you're a regular annual buyer, is the Sales History tool. So go ahead and take a look at Sales History here. There's some really cool things you can do with this, and I highly suggest you explore. Now, if you have a new web account or you're new to our website, you might not have a lot of sales history yet. But as time passes, you'll be able to filter through that. So let's say, for example, if you want to know your purchase history for the style 170 in previous years. You can click the sales for 2022, for example, sales by product, and then choose style. Once you search, it would show you all of your sales or your purchases for that style 170 last year. Now again, that requires having purchase history in the account. So again, if you're new to the website, it'll take a little time to build that up, but guaranteed it'll be super helpful for those who need budgeting. And budgeting is easier to do when you have access to the information. Once we go back to the My Account page, we're going to go to the Proof Approval. If you're doing any decorated orders, let's say that have screen printing or embroidery, this is where you would see your proofs as we send them to you, and you can approve them from there too. Once we go back to the My Account, once we're all done doing everything we want to see and do here, then you can click Log Out. All right, everybody, that's it. The My Accounts page is that simple and that powerful. Now you know how you can add users to your account, check your shipping addresses, look at old orders, or even check the status of a current order. Heck, you can get a statement if you want to. It's that simple. Now, if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Water Safety Products, 1-800-987-7238, extension 4, or we'll see you online. Thanks so much and have a great day.